Being a vegan can be tough, but with the quarrygirl.com vegan soundboard from the App Store, you'll never have to speak again. Are you suspicious of the soy cheese at your local pizzeria?
Is there casein in this?
Are you tired of asking the same old questions whenever you eat out?
Do you have a separate fryer for your french fries?
Or are you just so above it all that you need to say this?
I'm so vegan, I don't even eat out at restaurants anymore.
But being a vegan is not just about food. Want to engage your God-fearing co-workers in an open discussion about religion?
I'm an atheist.
Or describe your hobby, career, and pipe dreams with one press of a button?
I'm a vegan blogger slash baker slash photographer.
Fed up of telling people where you're taking your next vacation?
Portland.
Or do you just want to discuss the one thing that's really important?
Cupcakes.
The iPhone plus quarrygirl.com. This changes everything.
Cupcakes.